Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really fun stepper card for you. This is my Home for Christmas stepper card. How nice is this design? You have the red door right there in the middle with that cute little wreath. You have the steps here covered in snow and the evergreens on either side, and then those cute coach lamps as well. There's a plenty of room there on the inside for your message, and I include an envelope as well. I did a design, our very first Holidays with the Housewife, where I made a layered card that was very popular. It was similar to this, where it was the front door or the front porch scene of a home for Christmas, and that was really popular, so I hope that you like this one as well. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holidays with the Housewife 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, the download button will be located on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file for this project in my shop, or purchase the VIP Access Pass that gives you access to all 12 event files, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and commercial licensing. You'll be able to find more information on both of those options in the video description below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish all the different score lines for the card base. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here at the top. Here on either side, I call these the little arms. And this first set of score lines on the sides, those are going to be folded as mountain folds. Then this center score line is going to be folded as a mountain fold. The second set of score lines on the sides are going to be folded as valley folds, so I'm going to flip it over and pinch those. And then these last two score lines are going to be folded as mountain folds. And now I'm going to fold it down and flip it upside down to burnish everything. And there is your card base. So I'm going to set that to the side just for a few minutes. Let's go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Let's go ahead and attach that to the inside of the card. There we go. Now I'm going to flip the card so it's nice and flat. I'm going to take our two green cover panels and attach those to the sides just to decorate those two side arms. So I'm putting them in the area between the first and second score lines on the sides. And now before we get into the different embellishments, I'm going to add the gray front cover panel to the front of the card. Go ahead and close that up. Oops. Just like that. So I will set it to the side, all that can dry. Alright, now it's time to go ahead and layer all the different embellishments for the front of the card. Now don't get overwhelmed. I have a layering guide within the download that will help with visualizing how to layer everything together. I have it all spelled out for you. Just a really quick overview though, for the door, it's going to start with the yellow, then the dark red, then the red for the wreath, and the green. For the stoop of the house, it's going to be the green for the evergreens, then gray, and then the little areas of snow. For the lights, it's going to be the yellow and then the black. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and then I'll show you what everything looks like when I'm all done. Alright, so I have everything all layered together. So this is the door, this is what the stoop looks like, and then the two lights for either side of the door. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that to the side. I'm going to start by adding the door to the center of the front cover panel. And I'm going to place that right above this kind of imaginary line here. Just like that. And now I'll add both of the lights. And now those two extra pieces of snow you're going to put right underneath the door, because this band right here is acting like one of the steps. And finally, we can attach the evergreens to the bottom of that front cover panel. And there we go. I'm going to set the card to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring the side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this one really fun to put together? You could change the cover panels to make it into like a pattern paper if you have a really fun brick pattern paper, or using our embossing folders to really add some nice texture as well. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Now this concludes Holidays with the Housewife for 2025. I hope that you have enjoyed this event as much as I have. I love putting together this event in particular because I love Christmas, and everyone loves to craft and decorate for Christmas themselves. So I have enjoyed seeing all of your posts, all of your comments, all of your pictures of the projects that you have completed every single day. It really has warmed my heart, and I hope that you have had as much fun as I have. That being said, Holidays with the Housewife will of course return for 2026, and in the meantime we have plenty of videos on different cards that you can make on the channel. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you for the next project. Bye-bye.